You're getting it wrong. Reptiles are venomous and not poisonous. Alright, so what do I mean reptiles are venomous and not poisonous? Well, you may know someone and direct this video to them or explain to them what I'm saying to you. You may know somebody that says certain snakes are poisonous, which they'd be correct because there are certain snakes that are poisonous, red keelback, that are both venomous and poisonous. And there are garter snakes. Garter snakes are mildly poisonous because they eat poisonous frogs. And yes, you can see emerald tree snakes constantly wanting to climb me in this video. But if I want to really focus, I can't hold them because they're crazy. But some garter snakes, since they eat frogs, and not really too many frogs in North America are poisonous. But there are newts and toads and certain salamanders that are, and those are a main diet for garter snakes. But let's talk about venom. What is venom? Well, venom is a protein that can be digested in your body. I think it was Chandler's Wildlife, and Noah, I forget his name. I always forget his name. But they're both venomous snake keepers, and they drank king cobra venom. They were totally fine. They're all alive. I wouldn't recommend just going to a king cobra and drinking the venom. The venom that they drank was fine. They were totally fine because it's a protein. Venom's a protein that can be digested. But venom has to be injected into you. That's why a snake that's venomous, when it bites you, it's venom. If it were poison, if a poisonous snake bit you, there would be nothing. Like if a poisonous, like fire-belly newt, say, bit you, it's nothing. You just need to wash your hand. But venom has to be injected into the body, bloodstream, and it can destroy you. What kind of snakes have venom? We are looking at lapids, vipers. Vipers include pit vipers, bush vipers, all sorts of vipers are put into this family of venomous snakes. Now there are certain venomous lizards, like just to name a couple, there are beaded lizards and Gila monsters. There's also Komodo dragons too. But Komodo dragons is a whole different topic. Largest venomous lizard there. And I was reading a science book this year for my schooling, and I thought it was really, really funny because it said that Gila monsters are the largest poisonous lizard in the United States, which is incredibly false because, for one, Gila monsters aren't poisonous. They're not poisonous. And for two, they're not poisonous, so they're not the largest poisonous lizard, so there you go. Debunked. Because they are not poisonous, they are venomous. Now, where do snakes have their venom glands? If you notice, venomous snakes have bigger heads and usually, is that a real word? Usually, yeah, that's a real word. I said it funny. Usually, slender bodies, because unlike a constrictor, like king snakes and boas, pythons, unlike them, they don't need to constrict and strangle their prey. All they need to do is bite their prey, and then in a few minutes they'll go find them. I started doing as enrichment for my snakes is I will take them out of their enclosure, put a mouse in the enclosure, and I'll leave a trail of the mouse, and the mouse will, so it looks like the mouse is running somewhere, and then they'll follow that trail because it's good enrichment for them, and then they'll go find the mouse and eat it.
I'm trying to film a video here, and you guys aren't helping. I literally took you out like an hour ago, and you're going crazy.
But yeah, so venomous snakes have bigger heads because they need to have the 2 venom glands because 1 venom gland for each fang, or yeah, each fang. So you have the 2 venom glands, and that's why venomous snakes generally have like a V-shaped, like a triangle-shaped head. That is the video. Reptiles, at least most reptiles, when they talk about venomous, venomous. They're saying poisonous, they're venomous. Like king cobras, brown snakes, all those venomous snakes are venomous. So next time your friend asks if your ball python is poisonous, say, first of all, no, it's not poisonous. And second of all, did you mean venomous? And then third of all, say, no, it's not venomous. And then explain what I put in this video to that friend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry I didn't post for a week, 2 weeks actually. I was just thinking about a video to do, and then I got a whole bunch of good ideas. So more videos coming soon. I want to do a care guide for these guys, and I actually think my female emerald tree skink is gravid. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you hopefully in the next video. Bye.